Hey teachers, here's how you're going to get your students hyped and engaged for the 2025-2026 school year. Let's go. Tip number one, you want to start with community, not content. I know those standards are important, but before you dive into those standards, please understand that you need to build a classroom culture, morning meetings, class jobs, even for those fifth graders and those middle schoolers. Relationship building activities that make them feel seen. Yeah, that's what it is. Safe plus seen equals engaged learners. So here's tip number two, layer vocabulary into everything. Vocabulary is that secret sauce. I use chants, raps, quick word challenges daily. When your kids own their academic language, they crush those standards. Tip number three, make data your superpower. I know data may seem boring. Data, but it is key. You want quick check ins, exit tickets, small group flex zones. When you move with data, you teach what they need. And then you got tip number four, anchor everything in writing: ELA, science, math, social studies. If your kids can write it, they can explain it. I teach my kids sentence frames, paragraph structures, essay structures. They need to learn this. It is key. You got tip number five. It is the secret sauce. Please keep it hype. Your energy sets the tone. I give my kids chants, movement, even music. We celebrate small wins every single day. And if you're not keeping it hype and healthy, you're doing yourself a disservice. You won't be able to bring your A game into that classroom. See, look, I don't drink sodas like that no more. Sparkling water is where it's at. And I really love this Spindrift. It is so good and tasty. I love it, y'all. All right, if you're ready to make the 25-26 school year your most smoothest, most engaging year ever, follow me here on TikTok, The Hype Educator, and head over to my YouTube channel where I'm dropping full lessons, teacher tips, and resources you can use tomorrow. The link is in my bio. Look, let's get hype for our students. They deserve it. Peace. Until next time.